Hello guys, this is Silva here again. Welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'll be sharing with you guys another price action on volatility index. Alright, I'll be showing you guys how I was able to cut this entry. Alright, I'll be breaking it down from the daily time frame up onto this 50-minute time frame where I took this entry. Okay, so without wasting much of our time, I'll be heading to the daily time frame. Okay, so make sure you don't skip any part of this video. Okay, make sure you don't skip any part of this video because there are some vital information I'll be sharing with you guys that might help change the way you trade. Okay, so here on the daily time frame, what I do is that I try to analyze the market, knowing the direction of the market. All right, so from the daily, you can see that we are in a downtrend. All right, now heading to the 4 hours time frame, you can see that there is a dip in the market. All right, so now I'm going to be putting in some trend line in order to cover it up. Okay, so I'll be putting another trend line here again in order to spot out the resistance that is making this downward movement. Okay, there is a resistance there, it needs to be spot out. Okay, so you can see that previously price broke out of this resistance zone here, made a retest, and it moved up a little bit. There is a resistance here also, it was bounced back down, right? And seeing this, we are going to move our trend line to this area, all right, in order to spot out this resistance here. All right, so I'm going to head down to the 1 hour time frame again. All right, so now here on the 1 hour time frame, you can see that there is a dip here again, so we are going to also spot it out. All right, we mark it out so that we see it clearly. Now you see that there is a resistance here, and this is where price is reacting to currently. All right, so this resistance here is going to push price to the downside. All right, and around this place you can see that this is where I took the entry from. All right, so I'm still going to step down to the 30-minute time frame. Now here on the 30-minute time frame, if I'm to put a zone here, you can see that there is a support and resistance zone here. All right, there's another block here, so I initially placed a sell limit order here. All right, then I took to buy here immediately. All right, so if price would have pushed up a little bit, it would have triggered my sell limit order and sold down to this area. Okay, but you can see I still cut the move here because I knew that it must drop from this area. Okay, so that's what I did, and from the analysis you can see that I was moving with the market direction. All right, that's why they say the trend is your friend. Okay, so when you are trading, always make sure that you follow the trend. Okay, so that's something you should take note of. All right, so if you are enjoying this video, all right, if you're a new viewer coming across my channel for the first time, please make sure to subscribe, turn on the notification bell so that whenever I post a powerful strategy or an educational video like this, you get notified immediately. Okay, so I want to quickly remind you guys to go subscribe to my Telegram channel. The link is in the description of this video. In the Telegram channel, I share free signals on daily basis that will help you grow your small account. Okay, and also for those of you who have not yet come to get the boom and crash strategy, it's a VIP strategy for growing as little as a $5 account. Okay, if you don't want the signal, you can go and get the strategy. All right, it's a very powerful strategy for growing as little as a $5 account. Even if you're a beginner, you can use this strategy I'm talking about. Okay, so if you want to know more about the strategy, check the description of this video. You're going to see my WhatsApp contact there. Make sure to message me and we'll discuss on how you get the strategy. Okay, so you can see price is currently close to my TP now. All right, price is close, and I'll be holding this trade till it gets to this area. All right, so hopefully you learned something from this video. All right, I'll be seeing you guys in the next one. Thanks for watching. Silva out.